laugh, laugh, giggle, giggle. The cartoon made me laugh out loud. Sneeze, sneeze. I sneezed loudly because of the dust in the room. Scream, scream. Shout, shout. I screamed for help when I saw smoke coming from the kitchen. Fart, fart. I heard a funny noise, and my friend told me it was a fart. Clap, clap. The baby smiled and clapped their hands with joy. Belch, belch. Excuse me for belching. I couldn't hold it in. Sniff, sniff. I sniffed the food to check it. Cough, cough. I coughed to clear my throat when it felt scratchy. Blow, blow. I blow out the candles on my birthday cake. Gargle, gargle. I gargle with warm salt water to relieve a sore throat. Cracking the knuckles, cracking the knuckles. The sound of cracking knuckles makes me people uncomfortable. Snap the fingers, snap the fingers. I snap my fingers to the beat of the music. Whisper, whisper. She whispers the secret into her sister's ear. Hiccup, hiccup. Hiccups can happen when we eat or drink too quickly. Tap feet, tap feet. I tap my feet when I hear music. Yawn, yawn. I feel tired and let out a big yawn. Snore, snore. I snore loudly when I sleep on my back.